Welcome to this Slicker review. This is the product created by AdPlayer, Palabgosel and Ramreward. We will go through the sales page and I will show you what is all inside of the member area. We will see how it works. And I hope that by the end of this review you can decide for yourself if this is something that can help you or not. And I actually think that it cannot help you. But keep watching, I will explain you why. So as you can see, Slicker claims to send hundreds of free buyers to any link and make $31 every 30 minutes. No selling, no tech skills, no experience required. Created for newbies. 60 seconds startup wizard for fast setup. Get free buyer traffic with 3 clicks. No list, no website, no experience. And all it takes are just 3 steps. Step 1, get clicker. Step 2, choose a done for you campaign and activate your free buyer traffic. And step 3, make around $300 per day without selling anything. It all sounds great, but can it really work like this? I don't believe in these claims, but let's test it. What do we all have inside? I'm in the member area right now. And if I'm new to any kind of product, I first look for some kind of training. And after clicking on training, we see there is no training available yet. We need to check later. It's interesting. This product launched already, but no training is available yet. And it's aimed to beginner. If you're a beginner, you log in and look for instructions how to use it. You will get lost. So what is Slick supposed to do for you? It claims to be a brand new app that can generate your free CPA traffic with Instagram. And our next 2 steps, according to the sales page, should be choose a done for you campaign and activate your free buyer traffic and make money. We look for done for you campaigns. Here is done for you suite. We click on it. But I don't see anything done for you here. There is nothing. There we have Instagram section and we have MMO posts, motivational posts and health and fitness posts. Let's check it out all. MMO posts. And we have a video explaining how to change your Instagram to a business account. And here you have DFY, make money online posts. And as you can think, you can just take it and use for your posts to attract visitors. You have motivation posts, and here you have the same video and slightly different images. Under health and fitness posts, you have the same video and some different images. And under each section, you have exactly 5 images. Here you have the tab Advanced, and after clicking here, you see there is something to do. Set sessions ID, but it doesn't open. After clicking on Watch Training, it doesn't open again. Configure email, it doesn't work again, so we cannot use it. What we can do, we can click on New Campaign, and all we do here, we just put our Instagram user data and click on Create Campaign, pages to target. It's still not clear how it works because there is no training available. So even if you're a beginner or even an advanced marketer, the advanced marketers, by the way, wouldn't come to an idea to use something like this. You wouldn't know how to use something like this. You can click on Get Support, submit your ticket. Hope you can get support here. So according to the Slicker sales page, it works in just 3 easy steps, but in reality it doesn't work at all. It's supposed to work for CPA offers, so you get sales to CPA offers using Instagram. But actually there is no app, no software that can generate CPA traffic. And there is also a reason why it cannot work. Most of the CPA offers are aimed to certain countries. And even if this tool would work, you can never get targeted CPA traffic using this targeted traffic to CPA offers. The other reason why it is not a good idea to use it: if you buy this tool and log into your Instagram account, your account might be banned, because no social media platform allows you to use some software for running the accounts. So you cannot generate CPA traffic using Slicker software. What will this product cost you? The front-end product is $17, and there are 7 upsells. The upsell number 1 is $39, the upsell number 2 is $47, the upsell number 3 is $197, the upsell number 4 is $97, the upsell number 5 is $197, the upsell number 6 is $37, and the upsell number 7 is $197. I will not go in details to explain you exactly what these upsells are. Normally you have less limitations, you can do more than at the front end, create more pages, connect more accounts, and so on. And there are also often license rights, so that you can sell this product as your own. What I absolutely don't recommend: would you like to put your name at something like this that doesn't work? I don't recommend doing it. So in total you might spend something above $800 and hope it might work for you. So returning to the sales page, it doesn't work as described. It is not clear at all how it works. There is no training inside, though there is money back guarantee, but I wouldn't rely on this. They show you the dream lifestyle you could have, describe your struggles, they use psychological triggers. And the product creators don't use any apps to make money online. They make money by selling these products. There are 2 ways for generating traffic. There is paid traffic and free traffic. Paid traffic works quickly, but it costs money. And free traffic costs a lot of time and efforts, but it works over time. You need to create content, you need to share value. You can do it using any social media platform like Facebook or Instagram. You choose your social media platform you like. If you like Instagram, just go ahead, but it doesn't work overnight. There is no app, no software that can create traffic for you. Unfortunately, it's the truth. You need to accept, and if you want to make money online, you need to put some work. I am at the end of my review. I have given you the reasons why I don't recommend this product. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, click on like, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in my next video.